Good day to everyone. This is Mamakon. And for this video presentation, I will be discussing the partnership liquidation. Pero bago tayo magpunta doon sa partnership liquidation, let's have a short recap of our previous lessons. Okay? So before napag-usapan natin na ang stages ng life ng isang partnership, hinati natin into four. The first one is the formation. So ano po meron sa formation? Two or more persons nagkasundo to put up a business. Nag-contribute ng money, nag-contribute ng property, nag-contribute ng industry. Now, of course, the main intention of putting up the business is for the business to operate. Kaya pupunta tayo dun sa second stage. The second stage is the partnership operation. Ang partnership operation ay kagaya lang din ng pag-ooperate ng isang single proprietorship or sole proprietorship type of business. Yung common transactions natin, the buying, the selling, payment of salaries, payment of other expenses, payment of liabilities, borrowings. So yung usual and common transactions ng isang business nangyayari rin sa partnership type of business. Ang medyo dagdag nga lang of course sa ating accounting for partnership operation is that the profits and the losses na nagiging resulta ng operation ng isang business ay kailangang i-distribute or paghati-hatian ng partners. So yun lang yung additional accounting concern for the partnership. The third stage is the partnership dissolution. Sa partnership dissolution, um, either merong nadagdag na partner or merong umalis na partner. So commonly, yun yung nagiging reason for partnership dissolution. Now, what happened kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng partnership dissolution? Alin po ba, ma'am, ang nadi-dissolve sa partnership dissolution? Ang partnership dissolution is characterized by a change in relationship of partners. So, for example, tatlo tayong partners, A, B, and C. So, meron tayong ABC partnership. In the case na si partner C decided to stop or decided to withdraw yung kanyang shares doon sa partnership, matitira na lang natin is si A at saka si B. So, ABC is different from AB. That's why yung original na partnership na ABC ang na-dissolve. Ngayon, pag na-dissolve po ba ang partnership, ibig po bang sabihin, hindi na rin po or stop na rin po ang business? So the answer can be yes, the answer can be no. Depende po sa sitwasyon. Ma'am, ano pong sitwasyon ang ibig mong sabihin? If the remaining partners A and B decided to continue the business, so posibleng hindi magsara yung business. Ano lang yung mangyayari? Hindi magsasara yung business, pero it will operate under a different partnership. Now, sabi ni A and B, sige, wag na lang natin ituloy yung partnership. Or should I say, wag na lang natin ituloy yung business. Doon po papasok yung pang-apat na stage ng business natin or stage ng life ng partnership natin. Nagkakaroon tayo ng partnership liquidation. Okay, so ano pong nangyayari doon sa partnership liquidation? Since hindi na natin itutuloy yung business, so the business will cease to operate. Okay? So para mas maintindihan natin, let me share my screen. Okay. As I've mentioned, our discussion is about partnership liquidation, particularly the general concepts on the liquidation. The topics to be discussed: first, the definition of liquidation; second, the rules in settling accounts after dissolution; third, the methods of partnership liquidation; and fourth, the pro forma journal entries related to liquidation. So let's start it with the definition. As stated in the book of Balyada, Partnership liquidation is the winding up of business activities characterized by sale of all non-cash assets, settlement of all liabilities, and distribution of remaining cash to the partners. So, ipapaliwanag natin ano po bang meron dito sa tatlong items na presented here. So, of course, kapag tumigil na ng pag-ooperate or ititigil na natin ng pag-ooperate yung business, syempre, posible may mga natira pa dyan. Ano yung mga posibleng natira pa dyan? Um, Posibleng nandyan pa yung building natin. Posibleng yung service vehicle natin andyan pa. Posibleng meron pa rin tayong mga receivables na hindi nakokolekta. Posibleng may mga inventories pa tayo na hindi naiibenta. May mga equipments, may mga machines pa tayong nandyan. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? There should be a sale of all non-cash assets. Ma'am, para saan po yung pagbebenta ng lahat ng non-cash assets natin? Yung process ng pagko-convert ng non-cash assets into cash, which is known as the realization. Ano, para saan po ito? So that magkakaroon tayo ng cash. Magkakaroon tayo ng pera. Lahat ng assets natin ngayon, lahat ng non-cash assets natin ngayon, i-convert natin into cash. Kaya nga liquidation process yan eh. Magiging liquid ngayon yung partnership. Magiging liquid ngayon yung business. Lahat ay converted sa cash. Now, ano pong gagawin natin dun sa cash? Of course, yung cash natin, gagamitin natin in order to settle all liabilities. Siyempre naman, bago naman tayo mag-end ng ating business, dapat lahat ng ating mga obligations bayad. Okay, ma'am. Posible po bang may matira pa kapag nagbayad na po tayo ng utang? Definitely, pwede namang mangyari yon. Ano pong gagawin natin dun sa natirang pera? Eventually, i-distribute natin yan sa ating mga partners. Okay, so pasok pa rin po dito yung ating accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay po. Again, the process of conversion ng non-cash assets into cash is known to be the realization. Ma'am, ano pong posibleng mangyari sa realization? Of course, kapag nagbebenta tayo, ano bang posibleng mangyari kapag nagbebenta tayo? Either kumita tayo doon sa bentahan or malugi tayo sa bentahan. Halimbawa, ang ibebenta natin nakakahalagang 10,000, ibinenta mo siya ng 15,000, kumita ka. Ibinenta mo siya ng 5,000, nalugi ka. So, ibig pong sabihin, doon po sa realization process, doon sa conversion of non-cash assets into cash, posibleng magkaroon ka ng gain on realization or loss on realization. Anong mangyayari doon sa gain or loss on realization? Paghahati-hatian niya ng partners. Okay. Next topic, the rules in settling accounts. So ano po ang meron dito sa rules on settling accounts? Of course, pag-usapan natin yung partnership assets. 'Di ba? Siyempre, partnership entity yung ina-account natin. So ano pong composition ng assets ng partnership? First, of course, yung composition niya, yung original, yung pinagsama-samang contribution, yung lahat ng property ng partnership. That's part of the assets ng partnership. Ma'am, posible pa po bang madagdagan yung partnership property? Definitely yes. Kailan? Kapag nagkaroon ng additional contributions ng partners. Ano po yung additional contributions? Pwedeng as the business operates, nag-additional contributions sila. Pero ang tinutukoy na additional contributions dito is that kapag nakita natin o na-compute natin yung property ng partnership, okay, we found out na kulang yung partnership property para isettle lahat ng liabilities ng partnership. So yung mga partners na kaya or may kakayahang makapag-contribute ulit, sila yung panggagalingan ng additional contributions of the partners. Okay. Now, ano naman ang mangyayaring sunod? Ano yung next thing to consider? After identifying the assets of the partnership, kailangan nating isettle yung mga may claims. Okay, ano yung order ng preference? Order of preference sa pagsisettle ng accounts. First, bayaran mo muna yung outside creditors mo. Sino po yung mga outside creditors? Ano yung mga sample ng outside creditors? At dyan papasok yung mga suppliers natin. Okay? Pag settled na, kapag kabayad na yung ating mga outside creditors, pasok naman tayo sa loob. Punta naman tayo sa inside creditors. Sino po yung inside creditors na pinag-uusapan natin dito? Sila po yung partners din natin. Okay, ma'am, para pong medyo nalito tayo ng konti doon. Akala ko po ba ay partners, pero bakit po creditors ang tawag natin sa kanila? If we will recall yung previous lessons natin, there is a possibility na magpahiram ng pera ang partners sa partnership. No? In that sense, may utang ang partnership sa partner. That's why the partner in that particular example is considered as an inside creditor also. Okay, so after mo bayaran ng utang mo sa labas, yung utang mo sa mga partners, yung utang ng partnership sa partners, at meron pang tirang property, meron pang tirang pera, then the the remaining assets of the partnership will be distributed to the partners. Uunahin muna yung pambalik dun sa kanilang capital contribution. So, halimbawa, nag-invest ako ng 100,000. Okay? So, kung meron pang available na pera, ibabalik sa akin yung 100,000. Kung meron pa ring extra pera pa, may excess cash pa, may natira pa rin, i-distribute ulit yun sa partners. Ano? As share naman sa profits. Okay, so these are the order of preference. Outside creditors muna, inside creditors, and then partners with respect to their capital, contribution, and share in profits. Next topic, the third topic is about the methods of partnership liquidation. So here, binigyan po tayo ng dalawang methods on how to liquidate the partnership. Meron tayong lump sum method at meron po tayong installment method. Okay, if yung term lang yung titingnan natin, of course, pag lump sum, minsanan yan. Okay? Kapag ka installment method naman, staggered or pwedeng from time to time nagpipikal. So, tingnan po natin yung characteristics ng dalawang methods na yan. Kapag ka lump sum method, lahat ng non-cash assets natin ay i-realize. Again, ano pong ibig sabihin ng realize? Lahat ng non-cash assets natin, i-convert natin into cash by means of selling it. Okay, kung merong gains and loss on realization, i-distribute ito sa partners. Kung may gain, dagdagan ng capital ng partners. Kung may loss, bawasan ng capital ng partners. Okay, aside from that, lahat po ng liabilities kailangang babayaran lahat ng liabilities. At sa dulo, kapag nagawa na yung lahat ng yun, kapag nag-realization na, kapag nabayaran na ang liabilities at meron pang pera, doon po magaganap yung single final cash distribution to partners. And then, liquidated na yung partnership. However, kapag installment method yung pinag-uusapan natin, yung realization process, it can be on an extended period of time. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Pwedeng, for example, first month after mong mag-decide na mag-liquidate, magbebenta ka ng non-cash assets mo. So, magkakaroon ka ng pera. Okay? Yung pera na yun, pwedeng gamitin mo sa pangbayad ng full or partial settlement ng liabilities mo. Okay? Kapag mayroon ka pang extra pera, pwede mo na siyang i-distribute sa partners. Okay, gamit yung mga schedule of payments natin, yung mga cash priority program tsaka schedule of safe payments, which will be discussed on a different video. Okay, so ibig pong sabihin, ang pinagkaiba lang ng dalawa na yan, yung lump sum method, bago ka magbigay ng cash sa partners mo, kailangan na settle mo muna lahat ng liabilities. lahat ng assets na benta mo. Okay? Unlike the installment method, sa bawat proseso ng realization, sa bawat proseso ng pagbebenta, magkakaroon ng available na pera, pwede ka nang mag-distribute ng installment. Halimbawa, January, nag-realize ka, nagbenta ka, pwedeng January mamigay ka ng pera sa partners mo. Pagdating ng February, meron ulit non-cash assets na ibebenta. Same process din. Magbayad kung merong mga liabilities na babayaran, pwede mong bayaran in full, pwede mong bayaran in partial settlement or partial payment, and then distribute the cash to partners. Okay? So, installment din yung pag-distribute ng excess cash to partners. So, that's the two methods of partnership liquidation, the lump sum and the installment method. Now, dahil po accounting tayo, of course, we have to be familiar with the pro forma journal entries. Okay? So here on this slide, I have here the pro forma journal entries for the sale of non-cash assets. So this is the process of realization. Kapag ka nagbebenta tayo, pwede nating ibenta at book value, pwedeng above the book value, pwedeng below the book value. Okay. So, ito lang yung pinapakita doon sa ating journal entries. Okay. So, check natin itong pangalawa. Of course, kung mas mataas mong nabenta kaysa doon sa book value niya, magkakaroon ka ng gain on realization. Kapag mas mababa mong nabenta, magkakaroon ka ng loss on realization. And the rules on debit and credit will apply. The second entry, distribution of gain or loss on realization, of course, yung gain on realization, madadagdag yan sa capital ng partners. Yung loss on realization, mababawas yan sa capital ng partners. Number 3, payment of liabilities, the usual payment of liabilities. You debit your liabilities and then you credit your cash. Next, exercise of right of offset. So, saan po papasok yung right of offset na to? Ano pong ibig sabihin ng right of offset na to? So, posible na kapag ka nagkaroon ng loss on realization, dito, balikan lang natin. Pag nagdi-distribute tayo ng loss on realization, binabawasan natin yung capital balance ng partners. Okay? Ngayon, sa pagbawas natin ng capital balance ng partners, posibleng mangyari na maging debit balance siya. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Sobrang dami ng loss on realization to the point na nag-negative na yung balance ng capital. Okay. So kung nag-negative na yung balance ng capital, ang scenario doon is that kung kaya pa niyang mag additional investment, mag-additional investment siya. Pero bago ka pumunta dun sa puntong yun, check mo muna, ito bang partner na nagkaroon ng deficiency? Meron ba siyang loan? Meron bang loan ang partnership sa partner na ito? Kapag ka meron, i-exercise yung right of offset. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Mawawala yung liabilities ng partnership sa kanya kasi i-offset yon. Ibig sabihin, aalisin yung liability, idadagdag sa capital ng partner. Okay? So sa halip na magkaroon ng additional investment yung partner na deficit or may deficiency, ia-apply na lang niya doon sa kanyang deficiency yung utang ng partnership sa kanya. Kaya siya nagkaroon ng offsetting. Okay, ma'am, paano po kung walang ganun? Kung walang pagkakautang ang partnership doon sa partner na may deficiency, doon papasok yung sunod na journal entry dito. Additional investment by deficient partner. Okay, so dahil deficient siya, mag-i-invest ulit siya ng cash. Only if kung solvent siya. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng solvent? Kung meron siyang kakayahan na mag-invest ulit. Okay, ma'am, paano po natin malalaman kung meron siyang kakayahang mag-invest ulit? Kung ang kanyang personal assets ay mas malaki kaysa sa kanyang personal liabilities. Ibig sabihin, meron pa siyang pwedeng i-invest sa company or invest sa partnership. Now, paano po kung wala na ngang utang ang partnership sa kanya, wala pa siyang capacity na mag-invest ulit? Dito po papasok yung sunod na entry. Yung sunod na entry, the deficiency is absorbed by solvent partner. So ano pong nangyari dito? Si partner B is the absorbing partner. Si partner A yung deficient partner. Ibig sabihin, si partner A yung may negative na balance ng capital. So ang mangyayari po doon, i-absorb ni partner B si partner A. Mababawasan ang capital ni partner B at yung bawas dun sa capital ni partner B ang ililipat sa capital ni partner A. Okay? So, kung magkakaroon ng settlement between the two, sila nang bahala doon sa settlement na yon. Okay? Ay ma'am, ay bakit po may mga absorption na nangyayari? Because again, ang partnership is created by agreement, it is created by trust. So kung sakali na kakailanganin ng additional na investment or additional na capital para mabayaran ang ating mga liabilities, ang ating mga creditors, meron tayong solvent partner pa, so magkakaroon lang ng absorption. And this is the pro forma journal entry for the absorption. Okay, and then lastly, kapag okay na yung mga previous journal entries, pwede na tayo mag-distribute ng cash to partners. And the common, of course, common journal entry to distribute the cash, you will credit your cash and you will debit the partner capital, depende po kung magkano pa yung natitirang balance ng capital nila. And that's basically the journal entries for the partnership liquidation. So those are the general concepts on partnership liquidation for our sample problems. It will be discussed on a different video.